Namaskar friends, I am Dinesh Babu Tripathi. I am retired from Indian Air Force. I am now imparting the knowledge of shorthand as a free. So today I will discuss about the exercises on diphthongs. The diphthongs summary and some exercises have already been covered by me. Now I will repeat in short and then solve the exercises. The four diphthongs are I, of, I, you. The diphthongs I and OI are put in the first vowel place and OW and U in the third vowel place. A diphthong may be joined to a stroke where convenient. A small tick attached to a diphthong sign indication the addition of a vowel to the diphthong. Initial W before KGMR is represented by a right semicircle as already discussed in previous videos. So now I will discuss the grammar based on this. This is how, why, beyond, you, large, come, go, give, for, and again the exercise is 19. Read, copy and transcribe. So I will try to read these lines. Do you, first line is, do you feel it right to give the boy so much money? Can you come to Edinburgh for the fourth week of May? I have given the check to my nephew. He should go and see the large ship lying beyond the boy. How can the beauty of the isle fail to appeal to the Duke? Do they assume the chain? Do they assume the China? Do they assume to be chimney? To be genuine? So this exercise is over. Now the exercise number 20th is here. So this I will try to write in the notebook. So this exercise I will dictate and try to write. First sentence is how can you attach the wire to the high chimney. They were due to arrive at 5, but were delayed long time at week. Third is you should verify each item on the bill. Do you like the new tire? You have had put on the 10th of July 10th of July a week ago. I saw the Doyle, but he had no he had no time to give to my work. He had to hurry for the boat. So this exercise 19 and 20 is over. Please repeat this again and again in your notebook. In this way, this will be completed and you will be familiar with all these things, writing fast. So this is the video of the today. Thank you.